Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see the Tekno? Check it out. So yeah, I went with the Chevy. This is a Proline body, so the Chevy quad cab. I don't know what you call it, but check it out. I decided a little extra effort. Now I know my paintwork ain't perfect, but a little extra effort to make this like a dark metallic gun rod here and in the bed, and then a blue metallic on the outside. Oh man, I think she's absolutely beautiful. Oh, might have to tighten that up just a wee little bit, huh? Feels really, really soft. Not sure if you can see it, but the RC Guy Garage GPS holder's in there, strapped to the battery. Oh, let's see what she's gonna do here. Alright, going down the road straight. Hey guys, I am running this on 4S. Of course, we can bump this up to 6S if need be. Alright, we got speed. Alright, so based on what you just saw, what's your predictions? What are your predictions for how fast? Check it. Alright, let's see. 47, alright. I'm good with that. Now let's do an off-road speed. Let's see. We got that started. We still have speed. Alright, now remember, all cars are going to lose speed going off-road. It's just you're driving through rougher terrain and the suspension, you know, it's the car's bouncing. But this is a good idea to let you know how good your suspension's working, if it can soak up the bumps. Oh, no, no, no. Sheesh. 8%, so I don't get that. So let's see. Alright, finally, yeah, 42 miles an hour. That's not bad. 5 miles an hour. Alright, man. So let's go take it off the ramp and see how she drives. Oh, it'll probably help if I actually hit the ramp. Let's turn the gyro all the way off. So far, it's pretty nice. Oh, yes! We had enough for a backflip. Nice. Ooh, it's a hard landing on the front. Ooh, I just wanted to see what kind of air control I had, so I hit the brakes, but man, it wasn't enough to bring it back up. Good grief. I feel the power's pretty decent on here. Maybe I need to gear it up a little bit. That'll give me a little bit more power to rotate. I got the punch all the way up to 9. Or maybe I just need to run on 6S and just gear it down a little bit. I meant to bring a 6S pack with me, but hey, you know what? Guys, that'll just make a whole nother video for us to come out here and enjoy the Tekno with. I like how quiet it is. It definitely seems like it really wanting that 6S. This is a bigger RC. Oh man, it lands so nice. I like it. I like the way it's handling pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, man, she's landing nice. Man, I'm liking it. Now, even it might make the valley. It might. But guys, look, I can't do it, man. I just can't. I do not want to risk that body. I got a lot of work into that thing. I got a lot of work. I really don't feel like it's got it to. Right now I'm just lacking that air control to really send it over there. See, it doesn't snap like a lot of cars, man. A lot of cars I'd be out here. But it's landing really, really nice. I will say. Oh man, yeah, she is so planted to the ground, man. This thing is. Center diff seems really nice. We're not ballooning and pissing a bunch of, power to the front. It looks very well put together here. Well, guys, when I was building it and I was pointing out the plastic, I'm not against the car. It is damn expensive for what you get for just some pieces. And I don't. I'm just pointing out things that I feel like could be important. And I mean, as me as a consumer, I purchased this car. I was not having any experience with Tekno. I didn't know what to expect, but at this price point, I really thought there'd be a lot more in the way of stuff like that center brace. I don't feel like should be optional, and the amount of plastic. But right now, oh yeah, right now, man, it's a good RC. I'm liking it. It drives extremely well. So you guys got me, man. You guys got me. Tekno, yeah, damn good RC from what I see here. This is honestly one of the few RCs, I mean, even though it's sitting kind of low too, that lands in this thing and doesn't just slap the crap out of everything. I really thought it would hit a lot harder given its the size of the how low the suspension is. Now, like that one there kind of hit, but we had some pretty good height on that. All right, guys, man. Well, you all got me, man. The Tekno. Yes, man. She's a good RC. And there is that feeling of I don't kind of think trying to find the right word here of accomplishment, I guess, of assembling and building the RC 100%. Every nut, bolt, screw was put together. Every drop of fluid was put in. The paint scheme, everything. All that initiated by me. Oh man, I'm liking it, man. This thing, it's ground pounding. It's running through this dirt great. You see, we only lost a couple miles an hour through the grass. It's jumping phenomenal, and this is all based on their specs. Now, I mean, like my jumping characteristics is gonna be different for everybody because based on what you got. I'm running a little bit lower KV, like a 2000 versus like they recommend a 2200. But maybe that'll be good. If I run 6S on this, it won't be so overdone. 6S might be too. Oh, but yeah, I think next time out we're gonna run 6S. Man, guys, I'll tell you what. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, man. I am loving my Tekno. I am absolutely loving it. I was kind of worried too. These armor wheels wouldn't look so good, but yeah, I'm liking it, man. I am liking it. Ooh, she is. It's nice. You guys got me. You guys got me. Well, I finally got one, and here we are. So, oh man, I finally got it. Everybody kept asking, you have a Tekno? You have a Tekno? Nah, man. I don't want to spend that kind of money, but I still, for the price point, would like to see some better components put in there. As far as like metal shock caps and some of the other stuff I pointed out. But all in all, woo, man, I am liking it. Alright, everyone, I know this video is already going to be long because we had to assemble this and all that, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up there, man. I'm very happy with it, man. So thank you, everyone, for the recommendations. So this is the MT48. This is the brand new 2.0, if you missed that in the beginning. Yeah, I'm liking it. Alright, everyone. Hey, like, shares, comments appreciated. Greatly appreciate that. Links down below if you want to. No, I don't. Yeah, because you can get it through AMain and that. So I'll leave a link if you guys want to buy one. Please, I greatly appreciate you using that. I get a commission for directing you there. Same with Amazon if you want to buy like this Dumbo radio, the DDF3. It's all in my under RC stuff. But if you just want to buy the life some lipstick, start at my Amazon store. Buy whatever it is that you need, and I get credit that way. But if you want to buy anything through Tower, AMain, and Horizon, I also have Hobby King, some other great places, Maker Fire. Some of those places also have a discount code for you, so go ahead and check it out. Save you some money where I can. Oh man, I'm like, check it out when it's like climbing the hill, man. Just yeah. So man, my first Tekno. I like it, man. I think it's a great RC. Alright, excuse the GoPro head. Everybody, thank you so very much. The likes, the shares, the comments, channel is growing, and I couldn't do without you. You guys help me, motivate me to come out here and enjoy the hobby, just get out of the house and do stuff. And you know, for me, it's important that I do that. I got to stay active. My back problems just make me just not really want to do a lot. So you guys motivate me to come out here and do that. So thank you very much. Thank you for recommending the MT or a Tekno in general. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Leave a comment down below. It all helps. Share this with your friends. Help grow the channel. And man, thank you very much, everyone. All right, thanks for watching. See you next.